man in me could do clearly any task. As for compensations, there's a little he would ask. Takes a woman like you to get through the man in me. Storm clouds are raging all around my door, and I think to myself, I might not take it anymore. Takes a woman like you to get to the man in me.
Hello guys, good morning from Namche. It's 9:30 a.m. Today I thought that I won't be vlogging, but the situation turned up like that. I had to vlog. Actually, I had some work in Namche. I had to get my COI attested from the district collector. I came all the way from Gantok to Namche for some paperwork, as I had given my Viva for state regular medical office yesterday, so one of my document was incomplete. I had to get the attestation done from the district collector. Today morning I woke up late. I woke up around 6:50 a.m. and my taxi, service taxi to Namche was at 7 a.m. Firstly my mom called me and then the driver called me. I was in hurry. I forgot to carry my wallet. I just got inside the service taxi. After reaching the halfway, I realized that I hadn't carried my wallet. There was no problem of the taxi fare because taxi fare I'd given yesterday only. I was thinking that I'll do all the online payment. Since I have SBI account, I thought that I'll do YONO cash withdrawal from the ATM in Namche. My co-passenger, he was very kind. He got to know that I hadn't carried my wallet. When we reached Namche, before leaving, he just handed me 500 rupees. I was like, I don't want it. He was like, just keep it, just keep the money. It's not much, he said. I didn't know how to react because I was very confused. I just told him that I'll pay him back online. I just asked him to give his details, account details, but he was like, no sister, you just keep it, he might need it. ATM को केही भरोसा छैन, ब्याङ्कको त केही भरोसा छैन, कहिले खोलिन्छ, 500 हो, जति भए पनि पुगिहाल्छ भनेर. And then I told him that how should I repay you? He took off his mask and told me to remember his face and just talk to him whenever we meet. That will be more than enough. So I'm very thankful to him. It's moments like this that makes me believe that goodness still exists, that makes me believe in humanity. They say that being human is given, but humanity is a choice. So it's little instances like this that makes me feel that if you do good unto others, then others will also do good unto you, right? के पाउँछ?
चिकन मोमो, पर्क मोमो, भेज मोमो हो, सिङ्गडा, पाउनु थुप्रो कुरा पाउँछ, चाउमिन, थुक्पा, त्यहाँदेखि सुक्खा रोटी, आलुदम,
हुन्छ,
अन्त चिया, कफी, लेमन टी.
I'm trying pork momo. Pork momo with very hot soup. Stranger money, but I'm having my breakfast. Thank you, uncle. Uncle, मेरो कति भयो?
पर्क मोमो हैन?
हजुर, 100. Thank you. I need to get the Xerox of my COI done. After having my breakfast, that is pork momo, it cost me 100 rupees, and Xerox it cost me 20 rupees. I have 380 rupees here with me. I think I'll be using this for my taxi fare on my way back to Gangtok. I'm using it wisely and judiciously. And finally here, let's get the work done. Since the district collector was not there, I got my documents attested from the additional district collector. So all my work is done and now I need to return back. That 500 rupees has been enough for me today. I have had my breakfast, did the Xerox of my COI, and then I'm returning back to Gangtok with the amount you have given me. All my work is done. Now I'm heading back to Namche taxi stand. I still have 380 rupees with me, so it's gonna be okay. I'm gonna be fine till Gangtok. The taxi fare from Namche to Gangtok is 220. हुन्छ 12 बजेको okay. I got my ticket to Gangtok. It cost me around 220. I'll be filming whatever comes on the way because this vlog is so spontaneous. I still have 100 and I don't know how much I have. I've not counted. I'll just check how much I have. I still have 160 rupees with me. The remaining of what uncle gave me. So let's see what happens. Coconut कति हो?
10 रुपैयाँ
एउटा दिनुहोस् न, फ्रेस दिनुहोस् न ल. 10 रुपिसको कोकोनट. Thank you brother. Thank you. Water bottle. Thank you. The taxi driver has stopped in Tifindara, Upper Mamring for quick washroom break. So I'm just out here seeing around and exploring. I finally reached Gangtok. I'll go to the SPSC office and submit one of my attested COI because the document which I submitted yesterday, it was not attested by the DC. I'll give 100 rupees to one hardworking, talented man out here, which I always see while coming to MG through this shortcut. So let's go. Thank you. My work for today is done. I've submitted my attested COI. Now I'll be returning back. I hope you had a great time watching this vlog because it was so spontaneous. So bye, have a great day. See you in another one. Till then, take care.